Hi, you guys. So today I have taken two different brands of rose water. Okay, one is the most popular one, that is Kama Ayurveda. Um, what about Kama Ayurveda? It says rose water is made from the roses of Kannauj region in North India, and they claim to have no artificial or any artificial fragrances actually in it. And to be very honest, it smells like pure authentic rose. But again, I am not very sure about how pure it is. The one that we just made, is completely free of all kinds of chemicals. There is no color, as you can see. It's transparent. Of course, it's not very clear, but it is free of anything, like completely anything. And then comes our usual locally available rose waters. So let's see this one. Oh my, this is strongly perfumed. Okay, you can literally smell the moment you open the bottle. It looks clear, of course, because I think it's been processed a lot. Yeah, but I think I would prefer using this along with the chandan or for any puja materials that is usually required at home. But when it comes to skin, I prefer something that is completely free from chemical, free from any artificial fragrances, colors, and stuff. So my best bet is Kama Ayurveda, of course. It is very good. It has helped me. I've been using it like pretty much. So this is all I've got left now. It looks pretty clear, of course. It must have been processed, but they claim it is to be pure, pure, pure. The one downside that I can think about Kama is it's way too pricey. So what I like about making it at home is I have been growing roses for quite some time now, and if this is much better and effective on my skin, I am definitely not going to go for this, which is going to cost me a lot of money. And if I can save my money and it would be really good and glowing for my skin, which I will come to know only after a while of using this, I think this should easily last me for like a month or so. So, Kama comes for 50 ml of Kama Ayurveda pure rose water is going to cost you 380 bucks, 380 rupees for this. Whereas any cheap local, of course, full of chemical one is going to cost you just 40 for 120 ml. You can think for yourself, I mean, which one would be the winning one. Well, what I would like to conclude here is if you want to save your time and you don't mind spending money, this is a must try. It has beautifully worked on my skin. All I do is just use it overnight. I just spray it on my face and leave it overnight on my face. It acts as a very beautiful toner and it gives you a nice, fresh, and supple look. So it is a must buy. Thumbs up for this guy. Stop moving. Thumbs up for this guy. And if I'm going to talk about the homemade one, if you have the time, maybe once in a month, you could definitely give this guy a try. It's not gonna smell very great, but it's gonna smell just like normal roses. Maybe a better breed would yield in better fragrant roses, but I can guarantee you this is completely 100% organic, the one that we just made from my little flower pot. So hope you guys like this video and do give it a thumbs up and like, share and subscribe. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon that comes along with it, please. So until then, love you guys, stay safe and stay at home, please. Don't go out, it's not safe. Bye.